Today is March the 21st, 2025, and it's 7 o'clock p.m. And as you can tell by the studio, I'm still at Days, my ride or die partner. So with that being said, I'll slip into the chat real quick and welcome everyone here tonight. Michelle, hello, sweetheart. Mike, hello, hello, hello. Brenda, hello and good evening. Donna Hitch, hello, everyone. Hold on, my friend went to the commercial. You know how it goes. And now I'm back into the chat. Give me 1 second. Good evening, everyone. Hubby, hello. I'll be there shortly getting dinner on the plate. I hope you're cooking us something yummy. Hello, Donna, and thanks for coming. Nanette, hello, everyone. Karen T, hello. Donna, if you turn your phone around as if we're videotaping someone else, your images would be reversed. Who knew? God, you guys are so amazing. Okay, Zaza, hello everyone. Giovanna, good evening. Kitty D Crafts, oops, echo. I should not have an echo. My phone is down.
Let me get off. It might be me.
And I have no idea. Kitty D Crafts, Mikey, hello. Teresa Lewis is in the house. Hello, hello. Hi everyone lurking and sewing. Hello, Debbie. I love to sew. Hello and welcome to tonight's live. Janine, hello and happy birthday to you. One day late. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Janine. Amy C, hello. June, hello. Pat Strawhouse, hello. Let me see. Brenda, hello. No echo here. All right. Zaza's in the house and now all is well with the universe, right? So, let me see. As you know, I have a flash. Think this here as you're seeing it, it looks perfectly fine to me. You guys see it backwards, I see it forward. So from time to time when I do these videos and I hold up a book, there's nothing I can do about it when I'm away from home because Joe's at home. So I'm sorry if it's hard for anybody to read, but that's just what happens. So anyway. Who is ready to see what Day and I have been up to? We've been very, very busy behind the scenes. So as you can see, we're getting these laid out. And I've got them laid out here. And they're very, very beautiful. Do you not love them? So tonight I'm going to turn the camera so you can see Dave real quick. And then we're going to get down to the table so you can see all the madness that we're working on. So let me slide over.
Hi everybody, how you doing? Happy Friday.
You didn't tell the kids hello in case they be watching you.
Hey sweeties, my blessings. Audrey, Ellen, Vivian, Little Paul, Monica, hey.
You never know who's be looking on the back end. So I wanted to welcome them. Hello, Shelly. It's been forever and a day. I thought, you know, you found this millionaire and you leave town. You leave the country. We really do miss you, Shelly. So you're not going to see all of this. You're going to be down on the table as best I can tonight because I really want you to focus here. So let me move a couple little things out of the way. I want to still be able to see the chat, but I also want you to see what I'm doing here. So, I hope this does not tip over. Whoops, there you go, Day. It's too loose. Can you put this on the other eye? It falls over. I'm trying to show the table.
What I need to do?
We need to put it into that one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And sorry, we're in the skinny mode. I keep forgetting to change the angle. So hang tight, guys.